Here's how to fix silenced calls on your iPhone. Now, if you get calls on your iPhone, but it's not ringing to your iPhone or you're not able to hear it, I'm going to show you how to get that fixed. The first thing that you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down from the top right. Check to see if you have Do Not Disturb or another focus mode turned on. So you can see mine is called YouTube, but if I tap on it, if yours is selected to Do Not Disturb or anything else, just select it by tapping on it to turn it off. So I'm going to keep it on just because I'm making this video, but you're going to want to turn that off just by tapping on it. The next thing that we're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Scroll down from here and tap on Sounds and Haptics midway down. Now, at the top, if you see silent mode and it is turned on, just toggle it off. However, if you don't see that silent mode, it's because you have an older phone and the button to the left of basically above the volume up to the left, you're going to take your fingernail and flip it towards the front of the screen. That will disable silent mode. The next thing we're going to do is take the volume slider and turn it all the way up so that you can hear it as loud as possible. But there's one other place that could be silencing those calls. So let's go back to the beginning of your settings and tap on Search at the bottom. And then just search for the Phone app and tap on the Phone app. From here, just scroll down until you get to this section that says Screen Unknown Callers. If you have this set to silence, it will silence all unknown numbers when they call you, and it won't ring. It'll just go to voicemail. So if you wanted to always ring, switch this to never, and you're good to go. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you really like that one too. And thanks for watching.